about how can you enable water on your Samsung Hilltop. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that to enable water for notifications. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my page down here. So when you click here on my page, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You just switch into open with you like this, and you go down, you come here to water, and you just click in this sign that like you see here, this color show for us. That's meant water notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.